Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Škoda Scala, a hatchback that continues to impress with its sleek design, refined interior, and efficient performance. Let's dive in and see what this latest model has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Scala gets a subtle yet stylish update. The front fascia features a sharper, more aggressive grille, complemented by slimmer LED headlights with dynamic indicators. The sculpted lines along the body enhance its sporty appeal, while the new alloy wheel designs add a fresh touch. At the rear, redesigned taillights and a tweaked bumper give it a more premium and modern look. Škoda has also introduced new color options, including a striking metallic blue that really stands out. Moving inside, the cabin feels more refined and upmarket than before. The dashboard now features a larger, floating touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver's display is crisp and customizable, offering key driving information at a glance. Soft touch materials and ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere, while the ergonomic seats provide excellent comfort for both the driver and passengers. The rear seats offer good legroom, and the 467-liter boot space remains one of the largest in its class, making it a practical choice for families and commuters alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Scala offers a range of petrol engines, including the 1.0-liter TSI with 110 horsepower and the 1.5-liter TSI producing 150 horsepower. Both engines come with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. The ride quality is smooth, with precise steering and a well-balanced suspension setup that absorbs bumps effectively. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point, with the 1.0-liter model achieving around 50 miles per gallon, making it an economical choice for daily driving. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Škoda Scala starts at around $24,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $32,000 depending on options and packages. For the features and practicality it offers, it remains a great value proposition in the hatchback segment. So, is the 2025 Škoda Scala worth considering? If you're after a stylish, practical, and efficient hatchback with modern tech and solid performance, then absolutely. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next one.